Here I have Doogee S98, and today I'm going to show you how to change aspect ratio in camera on this device. So first let's open camera, then go to its settings by tapping on the gear icon, and here in the picture size you can change its aspect ratios. So you have like 3:4, one with 16 megapixels and the other one with 44 megapixels, and you have full screen, one with 1 megapixel and another one with 40 megapixels. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.